Now, there are thousands of AI videos on YouTube, but only few of them actually makes money. And I'm going to show you why. But before we continue, if you are serious about building a successful YouTube channel this year, go ahead and subscribe because I post video that will guide you step by step. My name is Blessing. So, creating monetizing AI video is one of the biggest opportunity right now, but many beginners are doing it wrong way. Understanding what actually makes a video valuable, and that is why the struggle to get views, watch time, or approved for monetization. So, before you even think about tools, you need to understand one simple truth. AI is just a helper, which many of us don't know. AI is just a helper for us, not the creator. You are the creator of your video. The value must come from you, your idea, your structure, and your storytelling. A monetizable AI video is not just about combining AI voice, AI images, and uploading it. It is about creating something that people want to watch, something that keeps them engaged, and something that feels original. Guys, something that feels original is very important. And sometimes that feels original. Even if you use AI for everything, your video must feel like it was made with intention. It must solve a problem, tell a story, teach something, or entertain in a meaningful way. Let your video entertain or teach in a meaningful way. The first step is understanding content direction. You cannot just create random videos and expect success. You need a clear niche. A niche is a simple type of content you want to focus on. When you choose a niche, it becomes easier to build an audience because people will know what to expect from your channel. Some of the best niches for AI videos include storytelling, motivation, educational content, finance tips, relationship stories, life lesson, and health awareness. These niches works well because they connect emotionally or provide value. For example, storytelling is very powerful because humans naturally love stories. When you tell a story, people want to know what happened next. This increase watch time, which is very important for monetization. If you combine storytelling with AI visuals and voice, you can create very engaging content without showing your face. Once your niche is cleared, the next thing is your video idea. Your idea must be interesting. Your video idea must be interesting. It must create curiosity. If you if your idea is weak, no matter how good you edit, it's possible people will not watch. So always ask yourself, would I click on this video if I saw it on YouTube? If the answer is no, then improve the idea of your videos. Improve the idea. Give people what they want to watch. After you have your idea, the next step is scripting writing. Your script writing, this is one of the most important parts of your video. Your script is the foundation. If your script is boring, your video will be boring also. So take your time to write a strong script. Use simple English, guys. It's very, very important. Avoid anything complicated words. Make it easy for anyone in the world to understand the English in your script. Your script should start with a strong hook. The hook is the first few seconds of your videos. This is where you grab attention. If your hook is weak, people will leave immediately. Good hook creates curiosity, emotion, or surprise. For example, you can start with shocking statement, a question, or even a dramatical moment. After the hook, your script should follow naturally. If you are telling a story, make sure it builds step by step. If you are teaching, make sure each point connects to the next. Avoid jumping around too much. It keeps smooth and easy to follow. Another important thing is emotion. Emotion keeps people watching, which we all know. Whether it is happiness, sadness, anger, or excitement, your script should make people feel something. This is especially important for storytelling videos. When people feel connected to your story, they will watch to the end. So now, let's talk about this AI voiceover. Many beginners make mistake of using robotic voices. Yes, even though you are using AI tools for your voiceover, you have to make your voiceover not to be robotic. This is one of the fastest way to lose viewers. If your voice sound unnatural, people will click away. So always choose a voice that sound human. If possible, adjust tone, speed, and emotion to match your script. Your voice should not be too fast, too slow. It should sound natural, like someone is speaking to you. Also, add pauses where necessary because pauses makes your narrations feels more real and allow viewers to process what they are hearing. After voiceover, the next step is visual. Your visual are what people see while listening to that your voice. If your visual are boring or repetitive, viewers will lose interest. So your so you need to make sure your visual match your script. Make sure your visual match your script. If you are using AI images, try to keep your characters consistent. For example, if your story has a main character, that character should look the same in different scenes. That makes your video feel more professional and easy to follow. Also, your scenes should change regularly. Do not show one image for too long. Change scenes every few seconds to keep the video dynamic. You can also add small movements like zooming in and out to make the static image feels alive. The next thing we are going to talk about is background music. Background music is another important element. Music adds emotional to your videos. It can make sad scenes feel deeper or happy scenes feel more exciting. Choose music that match the mood of your video. Make sure the music is not too loud. It should support the voice, not overpower it. Always low your music, not overpower your voice over. Now, the next thing we are going to talk about here is editing. Editing is where everything comes together, which all of us here know. Every content creator knows. Even if your script voice and voiceover are good. Poor editing can ruin your video. So pay attention to how you can combine everything. Guys, don't mind the noise. Where I am is very noisy. Don't mind it. So now use smooth transition. Use smooth transition between your scenes to avoid sudden cuts that feels harsh. Add subtitle if possible, because subtitles help viewers understand better and keep them engaging, especially when they are watching without sound. The next thing is timing. Timing is also very important. Your visuals should match your voice when you are editing. Make sure your visuals match your voice. If your voice is talking about a specific scene and your visual should show that scene at the same time, that makes your video more immersive. Another key factor of monetization is originality. Your content must be original. You cannot just copy someone else's video or reuse content without adding your own value. Even if you are inspired by another one's video, you must make your own version with your own script, your own voice, and your own style. Don't repeat what somebody has already written in her own video or in his own video. Repetitive content is also a problem. If all your videos look the same with the same structure, some visuals and some styles, it may affect your monetization. So try to add variation. Change your storytelling style, your pacing, your visual, and your presentation should be different from others. Next is consistency. Consistency is very important, and as well, do not upload one video and disappear. Try to upload regularly. Like, you can upload twice in a week. You can still upload 3 times in a week. But always make sure that it's consistent. This helps you improve faster and also helps your channel to grow and also help algorithm to pick your channel. The more you create, the better you understand what works and what doesn't work in your channel. Again, is your title and your thumbnail. Your title and your thumbnail are very important. Even if your video is good and people will not click if your title and your thumbnail are weak. So your title should create curiosity. Your thumbnail should be clear and eye-catching, not too much eye-catching. Do not use too many words in your thumbnail. Keep it simple and bold. Use expression. Use emotional and dramatic scenes to attract attention. Your thumbnail and your title should work together to tell the story or to tell a story. Also, always review your videos before uploading. Watch them as if you are the viewer watching that video. Look for any boring parts, any mistake or area that need improvement. You fix it before publishing it. It's simple. Over time, you will get better and your video will improve. Your audience will grow and your chances of monetization will increase. So keep learning, keep creating, and keep improving your process. So take your time to build properly. Learn each step and improve your skills. Stay consistent and most importantly, create content that people actually enjoy watching and learning from. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and please, if you know you have not clicked that subscribe button or like this video, please kindly do so that anytime I upload this video, YouTube or any video in this channel, YouTube will alert you to watch my videos. See you guys in my next one. Bye for now.